What you got? What you got? Tebow. Let me see your touchdown. Tebow. Let me see your touchdown. Let me see your touchdown. Uh-oh. 2 balls. What are you going to do? Oh, do a touchdown. Do a touchdown. Yay. Tebow. Let's see your touchdown. Let's see your touchdown. Yay! Maddie, did we wake you up? Tebow's playing football. Tebow's too busy playing football. Yay! He's gotta do the touchdowns. He's gotta do the touchdowns. Sorry, everybody. Sorry, everybody. He doesn't want to wake anyone up. He's just busy.